Maupo kayo. Maraming salamat sa ating Vice Mayor. I don't know if I'm going to say it correctly, but Magsaysay said, those who have less in life must have more in law. Itong araw na ito ay isang patunay na kung saan ang Estado, by principle, on what Magsaysay said, dapat namumuhunan ng matindi, masinop at mainam sa mga kanyang mamamayan na kailangan ng tugon sa kanilang pangangailangan. We, students and products of public education system, must have more in law. Kaya po sinasabi ni Ma'am Gayola, para daw lasal, yung mga itinatatag natin na paaralan. Kaya yung ibang principal natin nandito, ang sabi naman nila sa isipan nila, sana all. Bagay naman na dapat lang. Tingnan po ninyo. Correct me if I'm wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong. Mas mayaman ang gobyerno kaysa sa pinakamalaking korporasyon ng bansa. Yung korporasyon ng bansa, kailangan nilang galingan. Kailangan nila lahat ng may PhD sa mundo to acquire, to better their business, their product, development, R&D, and so on and so forth. To make money. To build something, to create something, to produce something. Kaya akalain mo yung gobyerno, tatanghod lang. Walang gagawin. Tiyak magbabayad ng buwis ang taong bayan. So money will come naturally. Kahit sinong leader, kahit Chongo ilagay mo sa liderato. Darating at darating. Because there are only two certain things in this world. Debt and taxes. So that's why I said, mas mayaman ang gobyerno. In the right perspective. The question is, how do we spend our money, the people's money, efficiently and effectively? That is a question belongs to our leaders. Pwede naman natin yung sinasabi ni Robert, pwede ko itong tirahin. Mangyari by June, tapos to. Kaya lang kawayan yung lalagay ko. Kaya lamang, kaya tayo nagseremonya ngayon. Para pag-alabin ulit ang damdamin ninyo. Kasi marami sa inyo, lalo yung mga nanay ninyo, yung mga teacher ninyo, na parang nawawalan na ng pag-asa. Na para bang, kailan? Hindi makatikim ng kasiguruhan. Sapagkat, among ourselves, as Manilans, alam natin, bakit yung Albert, mas malaki pa yun. Pandemya. Kasagsagan ng pandemya. 2 taon lang, natodas. Napakinabangan muli ng mga. Pagpasensyaan nyo na, nawalay lang ako saglit. But today is a ceremony to light the fire again. Yung 3 taon ninyong natenga, I'll make sure through our engineers, architects, construction workers, we'll make sure to the barangay officials, to the parents, to the faculty, pag hindi ito natapos ng 1 year, soli pera. Andres. At pipilitin ko sa tulong ng SDO family in the region, in the city, By the time dumating kayo dito, notebook na lang ang dala nyo. No more earth movement, no more disarray. You're just gonna sit on an upscale public education classroom. In my own little way, I will move heaven and earth. As I have promised, ito alam ng mga chairman, marami sa kanila nakapakinig sa akin nung kampanya, at saka yung mga taga-Sampaloc. Totodasin ko to ng December 2026. Yun ang pangako ko. Hindi ko naman maintindihan pagkadating ko, nana na lang ang umaagos sa ugat ng Maynila. Wala nang dugo. But then again, I have to give it to people, to the SDO family, to the board. We really tried our best na magsubi, magtabi, because it is a commitment publicly stated by yours truly in the last election. And we will fulfill that promise, as like what the Vice Mayor said. And bagay naman na ipinagpapasalamat ko sa mga konsehal ng Maynila. Nandito ang ating konsehal, Attorney Lady Quintos, Eunice Castro, Doc Almiron, Ryan Ponce, DJ Bagaching. Pero kalimutan nyo na siya. Mas paborito ko si Hannah Bagaching. Boundary ka na naman. Si DJ, pareho kaming takusa. Kami mga batang sansui. Mga kabataan, di alam yun. Alam mo yung sansui? Tanungin nyo yung nanay mo. Mami, si daddy ba sansui? Alam mo yung sansui? Isang sut-sut, uwi. Ganon kami. Because, in married life, soon you'll be marrying somebody. There are only two rules in happy marriage. Number one rule, wife is always right. Number two rule, if you think your wife is wrong, refer to rule number one. Happy wife, happy life. But I am more excited and happy for the students of Magsaysay and the faculty and to the community. Of course, this is a big task. Alam niyo itong mga pinaggagawa namin. Almario, Manila Science, Albert. Ano yan masyadong mataas na pangarap sa isang pampublikong paaralan. But then again, as I have said, bakit? May pera naman tayo di gawin natin when we try to cure and address the universally accepted student-teacher ratio in a classroom, we don't address it for today. We must address it 10 years from now at isabay natin yung population growth sa construction growth of space. And before we know it, come the next leaders who will follow me, will have a better school environment to lead. Ganun na talaga ang pagpaplano. Unang-una, mahal ang lupa sa Maynila. Mura ba lupa sa Maynila? Ako, napakamahal. Kaya dito, kahit easement, nagkakatalo. Kaya nga bangketa dito, nakakahoy. Kasi sayang din yung 1 square meter. But the thing is, you can just focus the resources, address one problem at a time, continue and consistent and put persistency in the program. Before you know it, madami na pala. Kaya sa aming Congresswoman Maceda, maraming salamat sa pakikiisa sa programa pang-edukasyon. Sa ating mga principal, to the DepEd family, to the SDO family, to the faculty. Nadali nyo na yung allowance. Nakuha nyo na. Oo. Huwag magalala. I-update ko lagi. And soon, kami ni Ma'am Gayola, may pinag-uusapan na kanina, yung endgame ko. You know, you may look at this by its face where I am trying to confront the universally approved, acceptable student-teacher ratio. But may endgame to. Because we created space, and someday, somehow, malay ninyo, makarinig kayo ng teacher na may condominium na 2-bedroom. Malay nyo. Because, tingnan niyo kay snowball yan. When you plan ahead, when you plan things, ano yung subsequent effect o ripple effect na pwedeng mangyari? That will bring us another confrontation with the social perennial problem by doing one thing. Kaya yung madalas ko pong sabihin na pumanatag kayo, mag-iinam ako, sisinupin ko. There is action behind those words. And hopefully someday, through the help of our SDO family, we can come up and get to that end game for our faculty in the city of Manila.